Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at a 4-port SATA controller card which hooks up to a PCI Express interface. This is made by manufacturer Axagon and it ships in a pretty straightforward plain white box. There's a little information on the back about it in different languages. So let's open up the box and take a look at the actual controller unit. Okay, so looking at the contents, there is a manual here, an instruction manual for use, it says. So as you can see, it has information in several different languages, but it is quite basic. As for this additional bracket, this is just a small form factor bracket in case you're putting this card into a smaller case or some kind of rack mount. So it connects to the PCI Express interface. It has the 4 SATA ports. And on the back, of course, it's clean. This is the bracket for the back. So we will connect this in one of our systems, test this out, see how it performs, what the transfer rates are like. If you aren't subscribed, do get subscribed so that you can get all that information in our full deep dive video. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next one.